This gear will definitely help you see better when welding. The helmet light accessory, part number 282013, will quickly attach to any of the Miller welding helmets, except for the T94 group. They use part number 281361. And even though it doesn't say it on the package, it also works with the Miller face shields. Now it comes 2 lights to a package, and I plan on putting one light on my welding helmet and the other on my shaded face shield that I use for plasma cutting, because that's where I seem to have the most trouble seeing where my cut lines are. Assembly is super easy. Just remove the headgear tension nut, O-ring and washer. And replace it with the new washer that has these little index notches on it. There's 2 different sizes of these. My Digital Elite takes the larger one, and the face shield's gonna take the smaller gray ones. Then replace the O-ring and the flashlight mount. Now the flashlight mount definitely has a left and right side. It's actually canted a little bit so that the light shines in the center of the viewing area. Then reinstall the tension nut. And then you can position the flashlight to your liking. Yeah, there we go.